Meaning of etiolated.
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 Etiolated. Etiolated refers to the process of plants turning pale and stretched as a result of inadequate light exposure. When a plant is etiolated, its stem becomes thin and elongated, its leaves unfold and grow sparser than usual, and its overall growth is stunted. The plant may have a weakened immune system and be more susceptible to disease or pests. In general, etiolation is not desirable for plants as it indicates a lack of proper growing conditions and can result in decreased yield or decreased ornamental value.